Hello, good morning, good evening, wherever in the world you find yourself right now. I hope that you feel blessed. But anyways, in this video, I wanted to show you something super cool that I learned, and that was how to take your captions, which has been auto-capted by Premiere Pro. Auto-capted, is that even a word? But anyways, how we convert them into a graphic and animate them all super quickly and super easily. Okay, so we can see that I've quickly auto-captioned this entire sequence inside of Premiere Pro. And what I did was I created a track style so that it carries across all of the captions to look the same and have the same background. I haven't done a spell check just because I want to show you quickly how we can easily animate all of these so that they have such a cool style of coming in. So the first thing we want to do is select all of these, and we're going to go to graphics and titles, and we're going to upgrade them to first class caption to graphic. And what you see is that I move them down to a track over here to video number 3. And here we can see that it's literally just like any graphic, as if you had typed it out yourself. Now, one of my favorite ways to animate text is to get the transform effect, and that is a distort. And that's because we can add a cool motion blur to it. So I'm going to go to my effects and controls up over here. I've just dragged and dropped it onto this. And what we're going to do is scroll until we see transformation over here. Now, this shutter speed angle is super cool because it can like give a nice motion blur if something is popping in. So I'm just going to click on this keyframe icon over here, just the stopwatch over there. I'm just going to move over just a wee little bit, and I'm going to keyframe there again, and I'm going to keyframe over here again. What I like to do is add like a little boop, you know, so like I'll bring it up to like 110, and I'm going to go back to the beginning and make sure it starts on 0. So basically it's going to boop, it's going to just bloop. Now we can slow these down. We can add an easy ease. We can also add an easy ease in. I wish there was an easy ease and a different easy ease in, like in After Effects. So that just creates, creates like a nice little effect. Now to copy this across the board, which is super quick and easy, we just want to click on our transformation over here, Control C, and what we can do is we're going to just quickly select all of these. I'm just going to hold Control Alt and V, otherwise it's Command Option V, Command Alt V. My Mac skills are failing me. And what we are going to do is untick that. We're going to go to, oh yes, effects, transform, bam. And then all of the text basically is going to just pop in.
Like, seriously, if someone...
But now, what if you have a plugin that you have downloaded off like Motion Array or something like that? What you want to then do is come over here to your presets, and I have quite a few over here. Highly recommend Motion Array. If you haven't checked it out, I'll leave a link just down in the description. You can get almost anything there. It'll just save you so much time, guys. Like literally. Another option you can do is to select all of them. So let's say, you know, okay, like a hit in or something. It's pretty cool. So let me just go to a preset over here. Let's go with 35. Let's go with shorts and short in. Let's just drag and drop them across every single one of them when they're all highlighted. And then
my
bam, 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 massive, like seriously. One. How cool is that? So quick, so easy, so quick, making your reels look even more professional. If you have any more questions about Premiere Pro, please drop them down in the comments. I would love to be able to help you out and make more videos about Premiere Pro, or heck, even After Effects. It's what I do full time, and I just love helping other creators get better and up their value in the marketplace. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next video.